Fixing devices is your expertise. Making sure clients find you online. That's where Smart SEO by Digital Guider comes in. Step 1. Google Business Profile. Ensure consistent business name, address, phone, categories, photos and services, local citations. List your shop on Yelp, Bing, Apple Maps, and local directories with consistent NAP details. Step 2. On-page and technical SEOs. Create dedicated pages for each repair service screen, fix battery replacement, water damage optimized with local keywords, iPhone repair in city. In titles, headers, URLs, and image alt tags. Mobile first and fast loading. Ensure responsive design and optimize page speed. Compress images. Caching, trim scripts. Most searches are on mobile. Step 3. Content and blogging. Answer common customer queries. How to prevent water damage or when to replace phone battery. Use FAQ structure to target featured snippets and voice search. Localized content. Write blog posts tailored to city. Best phone repair deals in city. Step 4. Backlinks and partnerships. Local link building. Collaborate with community influencers. Guest post on local blogs. Or partner with nearby businesses. Implement these strategies to enhance your online presence and attract more customer.